Alright, so what I want to go over is how to install Claude Code on your computer. So you're going to be able to access Claude Code through using your computer's terminal. So we're installing the Claude CLI on our computer, and a CLI is a command line interface. So basically what this means is you'll be able to access Claude Code through a command line, and you're going to be able to communicate with Claude by just typing in prompts and commands. So this is how you're going to be able to set up the code base for your projects, add and edit files for those projects, and store them on your computer. So you're basically giving Claude access to your computer through using your computer's terminal. Alright, so before you put Claude Code on your computer, you need to go to Anthropic's website and sign up for a Claude plan. You can start off on Pro, that's $20 a month, but you can also sign up for the Max plan, which gives you higher usage. That starts at $100 a month, but they also have a $200 a month plan. So after you sign up for a plan, come to the Claude Code overview website. You're going to scroll down and you're going to copy this command right here. So after that, you want to open up your computer's terminal, and if you're using Mac, you can just come to your apps and you can type in terminal. So now you just need to paste that command and hit enter. So after Claude Code installs, all you need to do is just type in Claude. So anytime you close and open up your computer's terminal, you need to type in Claude to be able to access Claude. So we're just going to hit dark mode, and then you're going to be prompted to sign into your Claude account. So you just come here and you press authorize. Now you come back to your terminal and it says the login is successful, and then you just hit enter. Then you can just use the recommended settings for now, and you can make adjustments later. Now Claude is just asking permission to access your workspace. So now you have Claude Code installed on your computer and you can start typing in prompts.